Alright, let's check out this cool knife I've been carrying lately. The CJRB Maximal Folding Knife. First thing you notice is the look and feel. This green micarta handle looks amazing. It's got a great texture, really grippy in the hand, and even when things get a little wet. Plus, I just dig the earthy green color. It feels solid too, not flimsy at all. And then you've got this 2.95-inch blade made of AR RPM 9 steel. Now, from what I've seen, this steel holds an edge really well. I've used it for everything from opening packages to some light camp tasks, and it stays sharp. It's got a flipper tab opening with a satisfying click. The liner lock engages securely, so you know it's not going anywhere when you're using it. For me, what makes the CJRB Maximal stand out is the balance of quality and value. You're getting a really well-made knife with good materials and a smooth action without breaking the bank. It becomes my go-to for everyday carry. It's just reliable, comfortable to use, and looks pretty good too. So if you're in the market for a solid, dependable folding knife that won't let you down, definitely take a look at the CJRB Maximal. For the price, I think it's a fantastic option.